the elements of a set are also called members of that set. They are also called members of that set. Now, this symbol is used to represent membership of a set. Membership of a set. Why this symbol is used to represent non-membership of a set. So we have this symbol like a letter E representing membership of a set, while this symbol is representing non-membership of a set. Now, if we have this example, we can say let A to be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let A to be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And let B be equal to 10, 11, and 12. Let B be equal to 10, 11, and 12. Now, look at these two subsets, subset A and subset B. Subset A has elements 1 in it, 2 in it, 3 in it, 4, 5, and 6. Now, since number 2 is found in A, we can say 2 is an element of A. Okay, we can say 2 is an element of A. So we can write 2 is an element of A. Why is 2 an element of A? Because it is found in A. Are we saying it? Now, since 2 is not found in set B, the elements found in set B are 10, 11, and 12. Since 2 is not found in set B, we can say what? 2 is not an element of what? Of B. So why is 2 not an element of B? Because it is not contained in B. Okay, so 2 is an element of A because it is contained in A. 2 is not contained in B, so we say 2 is not an element of B. The number of elements in a set are also called the cardinal number of the set. They are also called the cardinal number of the set. Okay, now when you have a set A, the number of elements in set A is represented by number of A. When you have a set A, the number of elements in set A is represented by what? Number of A. Now, if we are given an example, given that A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9, given that A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9, and given that B is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Okay, given that A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9, and given that B is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Now, how do we get the number of A? If we are asked to find the number of A, how do we get it? Now, look at the elements in A. Are there any elements here that is repeated? No element here is repeated. Since there's no element here that is repeated, what we are going to do is that we are going to count these elements to know the number. Now look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 elements, isn't it? So the number of A, they are equal to 5. Now to get the number of B, we are going to check, is any element here repeated? No element here is repeated. So we are going to count them one after the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, isn't it? We are going to have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the number of B is equal to 7. Okay. Now, what if an element is repeated? What if an element is repeated? What if we have the subset C to be equal to 4, 5, 4, 6, and 7? How do we get the number of C? Now look here. Since number 4 is repeated twice, 1, 2, isn't it? Since number 4 is repeated twice, it will be counted as 1. Okay, since number 4 is repeated twice, it will be counted as 1. If number 4, had it been number 4 was repeated 10 times, it will still be counted as 1. So we are having 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of elements in C, they are equal to 4.